For those seeking top-notch window installation John Sevier services, our team offers unparalleled expertise in energy-efficient windows. Whether you're in need of vinyl window replacement or double-hung windows, we provide comprehensive window repair services tailored to your needs. Our custom window solutions ensure that both residential window replacement and commercial window services are executed with precision and care. In John Sevier, Tennessee, window replacement John Sevier TN is a crucial service for maintaining the integrity of your home or business. Our window frame replacement services are designed to address any structural issues, ensuring your windows are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. For those in need of storm window installation, our team offers reliable and efficient solutions to protect your property from harsh weather conditions. Window sealing services in John Sevier, Tennessee are essential for maintaining energy efficiency and comfort in your home. Our window replacement John Sevier TN services in John Sevier, Tennessee ensure that your windows are not only functional but also stylish. Bay window installation is a popular choice for homeowners looking to add elegance and natural light to their living spaces. Casement windows and sliding window replacement are among the many options we offer to enhance the look and functionality of your home. Our window maintenance John Sevier services ensure that your windows remain in top condition year-round. As a leading window contractor in John Sevier, Tennessee, John Sevier, we pride ourselves on delivering affordable window solutions without compromising on quality. For those interested in window design consultation, our team provides expert advice to help you choose the best window upgrade options for your property. Window replacement John Sevier TN is another service we offer to ensure your windows operate smoothly and efficiently. Insulated window installation is a smart choice for those looking to improve energy efficiency and reduce utility costs. Affordable window replacement John Sevier options are available for those looking to upgrade their windows without breaking the bank. Energy-efficient window installation John Sevier is a wise investment for homeowners seeking to reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. Vinyl windows John Sevier, Tennessee. John Sevier are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Double-hung window services John Sevier, Tennessee provide a classic look with modern functionality, making them a popular choice for many homeowners. Custom window replacement John Sevier TN ensures that your windows are tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Residential window services John Sevier, Tennessee cater to homeowners looking to enhance the beauty and functionality of their homes. Commercial window replacement John Sevier TN services are designed to meet the unique needs of businesses, ensuring that your property is both attractive and energy efficient. Window glass repair John Sevier, Tennessee is essential for maintaining the clarity and functionality of your windows.